Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can enable noise suppression on Discord. I actually have it enabled here, so let me just turn it off first. So what noise suppression is that when you clap or tap on the table, it's going to suppress the noise out. But as you can see, if I have it off and I clap, you can see the green, right? You'll be able to hear it. Well, you'll see it here because you're still going to hear it if I turn on the noise suppression on, because I'm recording using another software. So if I tap on a table again, you'll see that the green will turn on. There. So to enable noise suppression, I kind of already showed you. You're going to select noise suppression here and you're going to enable it. I think there's also in the user settings here. Yeah, in the voice and video under user settings, you can select the noise suppression. Make sure you select the crisp one. So here, I'm just going to clap again. You'll be able to hear it, but you can't see the green. As you can see, the green didn't show up. I'm going to again tap on a table. Well, that kind of, okay, I think that was my voice, but you'll be able to hear it on this video, but you can't see the green outline. So I'll do it again. There, you can't hear it, but it's more for clapping. There you go, you can't hear it. So yeah, that's pretty much how you can enable noise suppression on Discord. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!